So in summary, for the ignorant one, a permanent person exists like a straight line. For the half-baked ignorant one, a permanent person does not really exist. He believes that it is a projection. Oh, the body-mind world is projected by me. I am the beyond. Yes, I get the glimpse of the beyond. So the body-mind world is projected, but the projection is real. It still exists. You understand what part of the journey he's missing, right? Where there is no world and no person. He's missing that. He still thinks the body-mind world still is. Now, I'll draw a parallel. In your dream, this happens. You forget you're the witness. Yeah. You start becoming that character. You're involved and distracted by the yumminess of the dream story. For a moment, there is a recognition. This is only a dream. And then, the dream is so yummy, I voluntarily, willingly go back into the skin of the dream character and continue to enjoy the dream. Do you see this? I know I project the body-mind world, yet I feel the body-mind world really exists and can give me joy. Yeah, that is the meaning of it still exists for this Drishti Srishti Vada level person. He still, somehow, he gets entangled in it. So, again, he believes I am the person. He forgets he is the witness of the person. Yeah? So, therefore, he's become the Drishti Srishti Vada level ignorant. I still call that an ignorant stage. Again, you check. Do I still get lost into a dream again and again after waking up to the truth that this is only a dream? Has your Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana progressed to that level where you can recognize, oh, this is a dream, and then again I slipped into it, or no, I stayed as the witness and the dream collapsed? If not, then a little more work on Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana. This is very important and will bring you to the point where you become confident that, I recognize that a dream comes up, and most of the times I know I'm the witness of the dreams, or no, I get involved as a character and then suddenly I recognize I'm the witness of the dream. Fantastic, the dream collapses. Or there is a third scenario where the dream comes up. Suddenly in the middle of the dream, I break Tadatma with the dream character. I become the witness of the dream. And then again, I choose to go back into the dream. You have that thing, that notion that there is joy in the body-mind world. Then you will know, oh, I'm a little stuck at Drishti Srishti Vada. I'm a little stuck here. Your own Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana can give you the testimony whether you have moved from Srishti Drishti Vada to Drishti Srishti Vada all the way to Ajata Vada or not yet. Your own evaluation will provide that proof. Yeah, so keep practicing Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana, because only Swapna Nidra Jnana Sadhana can take you to the point of seeing yourself very clearly. Do you recognize yourself as not self, or do you recognize yourself as self entrapped inside the body?